Painting with watercolor is kind of like just dragging around a puddle of colorful water and letting it dry in one spot. I'm using the tip of my brush for fine work. I can use the side of my brush to cover large areas. And I'm spreading around the puddle as I'm painting.